Singapore is known for its luxury and modern attractions, but you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy this vibrant city. Here's how to explore Singapore on a budget without missing out on its best experiences. 1. Affordable accommodation. Stay in budget hostels, capsule hotels, or Airbnb options in areas like Chinatown, Little India, or Geylang. Consider co-living spaces or couch surfing for even cheaper stays. 2. Getting around for less. Use the EZ Link or Singapore Tourist Pass for unlimited MRT and bus rides. Skip taxis and use the efficient MRT, subway, and buses to get around affordably. Walk or rent a bicycle for short distances, especially around Marina Bay and Gardens by the Bay. 3. Free and cheap attractions. Gardens by the Bay. Walk around the outdoor gardens for free. Only Cloud Forest and Flower Dome require tickets. Marina Bay Sands Light Show. A stunning nightly light and water show at no cost. Merlion Park. Iconic photo spot with a great view of the skyline. Sentosa Beaches. Enjoy the sun at Siloso, Palawan, or Tanjong Beach without entry fees. Haw Par Villa, a quirky open-air cultural park with free admission. Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's completely free. Eat like a local. Dine at hawker centers like Maxwell Food Center, Chinatown Complex, or Lau Pa Sat for cheap yet delicious meals, $3 to $6 per meal. Try Michelin-starred street food like Liao Fan Hawker Chan's soy sauce chicken rice. Bring a refillable water bottle. Singapore has clean, free tap water. 5. Budget-friendly activities. Visit free museums on special days, like the National Gallery Singapore, free on Fridays from 6 to 9 p.m. Hike at MacRitchie Reservoir or Mount Faber for scenic city views. Explore Chinatown, Little India, and Kampong Glam to soak in the culture without spending much. 6. Smart shopping. Buy souvenirs at Bugis Street Market or Chinatown Street Market for better deals than malls. Visit IMM Outlet Mall for discounted branded shopping. Final Tip: Singapore might have a reputation for being expensive, but with a little planning, you can experience its best offerings without breaking the bank. Follow these budget-friendly tips and enjoy the Lion City without the hefty price tag. Visit www.singaporevisa.ae for more. Like, share, and subscribe.